This is one of the biggest problems that almost every musician I know faces, and it holds you back. All of the greatest musicians worked in pairs and groups. A large majority of them. We have XXXTentacion and Ski Master Slump God. We have Billie Eilish and her brother. We have Russ and Bugis. Basically, think of any musician and realize that they have friends or people around them that help them in some sort of way. I am a mentor for musicians, and one thing I hear over and over again is, I don't have any friends who's doing something similar to me, or I don't have any friends that I'm working with as a group. And this is a big problem for the reasons that I'm gonna explain in this video. So, I went to China, and I worked with an artist over there. His name is Blowback or Jiggle.
That bitch stank, she acting fishy. Had to ask if she a penguin.
So he is a musician in China, and there were 4 of us. We had the artist and his friend, and me, and one of my friends who is a creative, a videographer and photographer as well, who came along. So in total, there were 4 people. So really quick, I'm gonna tell you the benefits that I saw immediately when we had more people working together with the artist. So the artist himself mentioned that one of the biggest problems he faced as a musician was consistency and motivation, clarity, is that a word? A lack of clarity, and overall just slow growth. I'm not gonna go into the details just yet with this project, but we worked as a group of 4 to create as much content and music for this rapper. The first benefit is ×4 of the brains, which led to ×4 ideas, which led to endless content ideas. So how we conducted this trip was, our mission was to make 1 music video and a bunch of reels surrounding that. There's gonna be a YouTube video about this trip specifically in the future, but it was so beautiful to see all 4 of us just walking through China with the song in mind, just coming up with content ideas on the spot as a group. We saw something, we saw a shop and thought, wow, this would be amazing for this music video scene. Let's film it here. And let me talk about something else really quick. When you have ×4 of the manpower, you're able to create so much more content that you would never be able to make if it was just you alone. So because of this, there were scenes where we had the artist rapping while I was managing the camera, recording him, while someone else was holding the lights, and while someone else was recording the behind the scenes. This could never be done with 1 or 2 people. However, we had 4 people, and therefore we are able to do so much more. There was another scene where we were at a hotel. We had somebody recording the music video, the artist rapping, and me turning off and on the lights, controlling the lights, and somebody else recording the behind the scenes. So now this advice means nothing if you don't take action. And if you are in need for more personalized custom help, then I have 12 mentorship slots available for March. In February, we filled up within the first 14 days, so you better apply quick if you're interested. Now, our goal is to help you gain guidance when it comes to your music career and help you blow up as a musician. That's our goal for the next 90 days. If you're interested, I hope to see you there, and good luck. So when you have ×4 the manpower, you are able to do so much more. This is why I always encourage artists to have a group of friends that are either musicians or people who are just in the entertainment industry, where you guys can record for each other. Because if you have ×4 the manpower, you have opened up the doors to so much more creative opportunities when it comes to recording content. Additionally, when you have 4 people that are all driven and excited about this project just as much as you are, you have ×4 squared the confidence. So I'm not saying ×4 squared because there's actually a formula to this, but the amount of confidence that we all had when going out in public and just recording random things was way more than 4 times. The rapper himself may not have ever recorded a video of him rapping in front of a shop by him if he was by himself. This group setting allows for extreme confidence because you feel so much more comfortable. Other people are giving you reassurance that, yo, this is cool, this is a good idea, and therefore you feel so much more confident as an artist. You care less about what people think because you have a group of people who are giving that confidence for you. This here is really important. Friendly competition. This is inevitable. If you are a musician and you're working in a group with other musicians, for example, Ski Master Slump God and XXXTentacion, when you are by yourself, you have no real competition, aside from the people online. But that's not really gonna affect you. But when there are people that you meet every day, that you record music with every day, you have this unremovable desire to be just as good, if not better, than the people around you. So if you had a friend that makes music, you want to be just as good as him, you wouldn't want to be worse. And as he's progressing, you would want to progress alongside with him. They're gonna be doing amazing things, and therefore it's gonna push you to want to do amazing things as well. If they are going on tours, you would want to go on tours with them as well. You wouldn't want to be that guy that just fell off. And therefore, having more people is gonna motivate you through friendly competition. And this here is what increases motivation, because your motivation extends further than just you wanting to become a better rapper, but to compete against your friends, to move alongside with your friends. And this is not evil at all. Friendly competition is needed. So all this as a whole improves on one aspect of becoming an artist or running any sort of a business that is so important, and that is consistency. I really hope I'm making my point clear here as to how important it is to have a group of people that are driven. And I'll explain what kind of people you would want on board and how to find them. Well, I won't tell you exactly how you can find them, but I'll tell you how I found them. Staying consistent at something for a long period of time is how you get results. Because when you're consistent, let's say you're posting content daily as a musician, then you're able to have more data to know what works and what doesn't. Additionally, when you're consistent for a long period of time, often that effort compounds because of you knowing what works and what doesn't. Additionally, if you post once a day, that means you post 365 times a year. And with that many videos in a year made, at least one of them will perform pretty damn well, okay? Assuming that you're improving over time. And additionally, with consistency, where you're uploading videos constantly over a long period of time, you're being seen by people more often during that period of time. And that's how people develop recognition to you as a musician. And that's how you stay in people's heads longer. If you just make one reel and that goes viral, that means nothing because people will forget about you the next day. However, if you make 10 reels that go viral and you're seen by people 10 times over a period of time, you'll be remembered so much more by being seen several times over a long period of time compared to just being seen once at one viral moment and forgotten. So I hope that explains the importance of consistency in a nutshell. Back to this. By having times for the brains, you can create times for the ideas, and therefore you have endless content ideas, which means you have a lot more content ideas. In one trip, we created 10, 15, 20 plus reels. Because of this, we have a lot more content, which allows us to be consistent because we made 20 reels in one day that can be spread over a week. And if we do this once a week, we'll have 20 reels a week. And additionally, with all of this, you have accountability. If you're working with a group of people, they all have this similar mindset where they want to be productive. You guys are gonna be giving each other, you could say, subconscious accountability. So that is the importance and the benefit of working in a team. So the question comes, who should you let on board to be part of your team or group? So I suggest that, especially if you're an upcoming rapper, to not formulate a team where people are working for you, but to work with people who will benefit from you and you benefit from them. So it's a mutualistic relationship. All relationships need to be mutualistic, okay, no matter what it is. So there are two options and you can kind of combine one another. First one is mutualistic and complementary skills. And the second one is similar vision and drive. So there's a pair of people who work together in Czech Republic that I was mentoring. So they were an example of a pair that worked with one another evenly to blow each other up because they worked as a pair. And they had mutualistic and complementing skills. So as a musician, you have the music, which composes of the beats, lyrics, you have music, video, you have social media, videos, and these two are both just content. Also, apart from this, you have mixing. And here, separate from music videos and social media videos, you have marketers, like basically coming up with ideas. Consistency, motivation. I'm just throwing things out here, yeah? Creative thinking can fall under marketers as well. I'm just throwing random words out here. It is overwhelming to handle so many skills, put on so many hats as a musician. And that's where you can find people to complement you. With this case study of these two individuals, one of the individuals handled the music. They just bought the beats and they mix it themselves, if I'm not wrong. The musician, which is player one, his name was Riyad, handled all of that. All of this here can be overwhelming when you have to both manage the music, the creative side, and the marketing side, the business side. And therefore the other individual handled most of that. He handled a lot of the thinking. And with two brains allows for reassurance of ideas, especially if both of them were honest with one another. One of them thought of an idea and the other didn't be like, oh yeah, that's a great idea, just because they were a yes man. They actually give their honest feedback. And therefore they worked as a pair really well. So if one individual developed the skills of marketing and business, while the other one just focused on the music, you guys can work together. This is extremely beneficial. There's a lot of people who just can't rap and don't want to be the face of the camera. It has a strong passion for music and rap, you know? They love the idea. They have a great vision when it comes to marketing and coming up with content ideas. However, they just don't want to rap. They don't want to be the face of the camera. And they would pair perfectly with a rapper who has no idea how to market. Very simple. I'm not even gonna overcomplicate this shit. In the Vine era, all the Vine celebrities and content creators would meet up and make content together. And therefore, they were able to come up with content ideas that they couldn't do alone. They all had the similar vision and similar drive, and they were all working together, creating content for one another. Everybody in your group is musicians, and you guys all go out and record content for each other. So you have that benefit of collective ideas. You have that benefit of having collective manpower, and you have that benefit of having collective confidence. You're just helping each other out. It's just an amazing experience. So where do you find people to work with? It's so easy. Social media. There's no other answer to it. I don't want to hear any excuses like, oh, I'm in India, I can't find anybody. I was living in Hong Kong, right? And I started a beats business where I worked with someone named Nas. I no longer have contact with him. I hope he's okay. I don't know what happened to him. Shout out to Nas. Hopefully you watch this video. He was in Sweden or Switzerland. I keep getting them mixed up. And we would call every single day, making beats together, and we created a producer group that blew up from 0 to 1,000 plus subscribers within like a few months. We got it monetized. We had a few beat placements. It was amazing. And we worked across the country. We weren't even in the same country. Yet we had all of those benefits that I was listing out previously because we were working as a pair. And we took on more and more people. We had 3 to 4 to 5 people at one point. The accountability was crazy. We called every single day. And if you're trying to figure out how you can find people within your area, social media. Go out. Leave your house. There's no other way for me to explain that to you. Just leave the house. Make a tweet, make a thread, and say, hey, if you're a musician in this area, let's all meet here. Go out of your way to find people. Like I said, there's 2 different ways in which you can go about doing this. You can create a team by having mutualistic skills combining together, the marketer and the musician, or you can find people who have the same vision as you, a group of musicians. Y'all all go out every single Friday night creating content together. Think about it. This is so powerful, and you need to utilize this.